What if I told you there's a hidden website where you can use Google's latest Gemini AI models for free? Here's how to unlock it. Head over to this website and create your account. As soon as you sign up, you'll get a 7-day plus subscription completely free. Now, complete your profile setup and start exploring the available AI models. If you want to extend your plus access to 30 days, tap your profile icon, select Extend Plus with a code, paste in the code, hit Redeem, and you'll be taken to the payment page. Enter your payment details to activate the 30-day free trial. You won't be charged unless you continue after the trial ends. So make sure to review the trial terms before proceeding. Once your Plus subscription is active, you'll get access to premium AI features, including Google's latest Gemini models. You can also try Nano Banana, the latest ChatGPT language models, and GPT Image 2, all from one place. Here's a bonus. Invite 7 friends and you can extend your Plus subscription for up to 2 months. That's one of the easiest ways to access multiple premium AI models without paying upfront. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.